Welcome everybody, my name is Ola El Husseini. In this tutorial I am going to explain XLOOKUP function and how to use it in your real life. In this example I have sheet. This sheet contains the sales transaction and I want when I select a product name, automatically its related price will be displayed as we see. Okay. In this example I use XLOOKUP function. Okay. Before I show you how to do this, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to receive the upcoming videos. Now let me show you how to do this. Okay, we use the XLOOKUP function when we need to find things in a table or arrange by row. For example, look up the price of an automotive part by the part name, by the part number, or find an employee name based on their employee ID. With XLOOKUP function, you can look in one column for a search term and return a result from the same row in another column, regardless of which side the return column is on. Okay? The first step, we have to create sheet. This sheet contains the products and its related price. Okay. The second step, we have to create another sheet. This sheet we will use it to enter the sales transaction. Okay. This table contains from the sales transaction date, the category of the product, its brand, its name, and its price, the quantity, and the total. Now, I want when I choose the product name, automatically its price will be displayed as we see. Let me show you how to do this. The first step, highlight the cell which you want to display the price. Okay? And in this tutorial, I am going to use the function wizard, so you can press Shift and F3 to display the function wizard. Okay. In the search for a function box, type XLOOKUP and press go. Okay. Now the wizard display XLOOKUP function and press OK. XLOOKUP function contains from 6 arguments. Okay, the first argument is called lookup value. This is the value that what you want to look up. Okay, in this case I am looking up for the product name, so I select D4. Okay, the second argument is called lookup array. This is the array or range to search. In this case, the array to search is located in the product sheet. Okay. The second step, select the product name range. Okay, like this. And make it fixed by press F4. So when I copy down the formula, the cell reference will be fixed. Okay. The third argument is called return array. This is the array or range to return. Okay. In this case, I want to return the product price, so I select the product sheet. Okay, and select the price column as we see. And I want to be fixed, so when I copy down the formula, the cell reference will be fixed. So I click F4. Okay. The fourth argument is called if not found. Okay, we can specify the value if the product name is not exist or not found. Okay, so I want to the cell to be empty if the product name is not found. So I type double quotation twice. If not found is missing, the NA error will be returned. Okay, if the product name is not found. Okay, the fifth argument is called match mode. Okay, we specify the match type. Okay, there is multiple options as we see. Okay, I want the first option exact match, and if the product name is not found, the NA will be returned. Okay, all the value we specified in the if not found. Okay, so I type 0. Okay, the sixth argument is called search mode. This option or this argument contains multiple options. Okay, in this argument we specify the search way. I want the search to start from the first item, so I type 1, the first option. This means the search will be started from the first item. Okay, and press OK. Now when I choose the product name, automatically its related price will be displayed as we see. Okay, okay, that's it. If you like the content, please like the video. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.